Stop wasting hours scrubbing through timeline tracks just to find a 10-second clip for TikTok. In 2026, if you aren't letting AI do the heavy lifting, you're falling behind. Today, I'm showing you how to use Spike Studio, an incredibly fast AI video editor designed to turn your long-form videos into highly engaging, viral shorts in just a few clicks. So what exactly is Spike Studio? Put simply, it's an AI-powered social video studio. It takes your long-form footage, whether that's a podcast, a stream, or a vlog, and automatically detects the most exciting, high-engagement moments. From there, it crops them, adds auto captions, and formats them perfectly for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Let me show you how easy this is to use. First, head over to spikes.studio and sign up for free. Once you're in the dashboard, all you have to do is upload your raw video file or paste a link. Next, let the smart moment detection go to work. The AI will analyze your video, find the absolute best highlights, and automatically clip them. Once your clips are generated, you can customize them. Spike Studio features automatic transitions, smart zooming to keep the speaker in frame, and a massive library of on-brand caption styles. You can choose templates that match your personal brand, edit the text if needed, and you're ready to go. What makes Spike Studio stand out is its seamless workflow. It's not just a basic clipper. It features what they call the micro-drama engine and library, alongside multi-platform intelligence to make sure your video is optimized for whichever network you're posting to. Plus, it includes built-in engagement analytics and publishing tools, meaning you can manage your entire content pipeline right from your pocket. Now, let's talk about the feedback. On paper, Spike Studio is highly rated, boasting a 4.9 out of 5-star rating on Product Hunt, where it was also named the #1 product of the week, and it already has over 1 million users. While specific, detailed individual user reviews are currently limited in our database to pull concrete cons from, the general consensus is that it cuts editing time down by about 90%. Because we like to be fully transparent, we highly recommend signing up for their free tier to test out the auto captions and clip accuracy for your specific style of content before upgrading. If you want to double your content output without doubling your effort, Spike Studio is definitely worth a look. Click the link in the description to try Spike Studio for free today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments how much time this saves you. See you in the next video.